Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in our Power BI series, so today concept is we had to cover as mainly basic filtering options. So once we had to look into filter options, then we look into donut and filters, how we can apply with the donut charts and we can apply to the filters. Okay, and we had to cover as in this continuation table and matrix visuals based on our time and conditional formatting. So these things we had to cover in this one. So first look into the basic filtering options. So this filter is called as mainly here, if we hide this data and everything, filters, this is the filters option. So in this filter, we have mainly, so these filters on this page level, filters on all pages. So basically filter options are mainly three types of filters. So three types of filters we had to access. So the three types of filters called as mainly one is the visual filter. So visual level filters, and second one as the page level filters. Third one as report level filters. So this visual level filter called as mainly so filters on this visual. So for example, here we have the option called as, so if you select with this one chart, so this is the filters on visual. So once we select with the chart any report, so in this we had to apply as this visualization filter. And coming to page level filter, so filters on this page, so we select in the white screen, here filters on page is available. So this is based on the page level. So and filters on report level, so report level called as, so we have to apply the one filter that is applicable to all the pages. So filters on this page is only for this particular page only it will be applicable. So first of all, visual filter called as mainly filters applied to a specific visuals. So page level filter called as mainly filters applied to all visuals to the report page. And report level filters called as mainly applied to all visuals across all report pages. So this is the filters concept. So now we'll look into this concept. For example, if I go execute dashboard, so in this execute dashboard, so this is the bar chart. So orders by category. If I select one bar, what happened? So the KPIs are all changed. So because I have selected as only accessories. So see the line chart. So line chart is to be moving, revenue, profit, orders. So if I again I will click on this bar, that accessories bar. So as usual, the entire data set is to be entire data is to be showing this one. So if I again with bikes selected, so this is only for bikes and clothing for only this clothing level. So this is called as visual level filters. Next, we have to see with uh, filters on these visuals. So add data fields here. So for example, here I will go with accessories. So this accessories is mainly here. I'll check with accessories. One moment. These accessories are coming from category name, right? Okay. So this category name will search category name. Okay. So in this category level, I had to apply with only accessories. If I go select all and unselect with only, I will select with accessories. So this is for only accessories. If I again with bikes, so I had accessories and bikes. So if I want clothing also, so clothing. If I want components, okay. So this level we had to apply with this visual level filters. So if I want clear this one, so here option called as this is the clear filter. So this clear, and if I select all, so all this one selected, and if I want to clear this all, yeah, remove this category name. So this is called as the uh, uh, visual level filter. So if I again this one, and this is the basic filtering. If I go with advanced filtering, so advanced filtering called as, so I have these options: contains, does not contain, starts with, does not start with, is not, blank, empty, etc. And I have conditions are as, so are and R. So these conditions also available. And if I go with report, so this is I will show here again. If I select with accessories, so this is only for this particular page only. If I go with customer detail, this is not applicable to this level category name. If I go with here, I'll remove this part. I'll add as this category name as in filters on all pages. So if I select as accessories, so this will be applicable to all the pages. See, it is changing only for this accessories part. If I clear this one, and here this is the basic filtering. If I go with advanced filtering, so here I have the options, this all. Okay. And so for example, if I go with filter type, total orders I'll take. Mm, Here the data, total orders only. Okay. This is total orders. First we'll apply as category name. Okay. And we had to apply this as total orders. So in here we have required with single section also. And why this one not applying? So this way we had to apply with filters on all pages and filters on visual. Okay. So next we'll look into another one, donuts and filters. So for donuts and filters, so we'll move to select as donuts. So this donuts will select as in customer detail. So in customer detail, so I'll remove this part. This chart is not remove this one, and this chart is we have to fix little bit. Okay. Now here we have to apply with donut chart. So first we have to insert and apply with donut chart. Okay. So this donut chart I will apply as here. Okay. And expand this to this much level, little bit down. And here we have to apply the data. For legend, I'll go with income level. And values, I'll go with total orders. And so for this, I have this donut chart is showing like this way. Okay. So for this donut chart, I don't want these legends and everything. We'll change this one. First, we'll format this one. So once we have to select this chart and go with format. So data hiding and filters hide. So for this format, I will go with first title. So title is orders by income level. So I'll remove with total orders by income level. Okay. And font. So font I will select as C, this one 10, and title will give as center. Okay. And legend part, we have to off legend. See, now the chart is fixed with in this space. Next, we'll go with details label. So in details label contents. So label contents, I have this much available options, category, data, value. Now I'll go with category, data, value. So based on this category, the data value. So category is called as high, average, and low. Okay. And values is, we have to fix this font little bit 8, and the value decimal spot I'll give as 1. Okay. And color. So color I'll select as like this one. Next to for no, this is the font color. So font color will give as is something like gray type, and we had to apply some condition here, size and style, background, background color, visual border, title, subtitle, spacing, and so in properties, tooltips, text. So text is will label color is white, value color this one, drill text is white, and data format. And visual, any changes we'll have to look here. Hmm. For example, if we look into this, so in the slices part, we'll look into colors. So for example, these colors are average, this one blue, and low, very high, high. So we have a high, very high is not required. So we'll hide, we'll remove that one as in the filter options. And average is I will select as like, so first I'll go this option as usual, or else I'll go with uh, 10 FBFF. Okay, something some uh, thick color, and low will take as gray, and high I'll take as like yellow part. Okay, now it's look good, right? So very high I'll remove in the filters part. Now I'll go with filters. So in filters I'll select as the income level. So in income level, so for basic filtering and select the all. So I have the option called as the very high. So I'll unselect with the very high. So this very high is to be more hide. So I have only income level this option. Okay, and hide these filters. Now it's look good. So this is the one donut chart. Okay, same thing I'll copy and paste here. Okay, now here for this one I will go with legend first. So legend means here we have to select as this legend part. So here this legend I'll go with occupation. Okay, so for occupation title I'll give as here title. So for title I'll give as orders by occupation. Orders by occupation. Okay, and we had to select with the colors. So colors are mainly here. We'll go with places. So for a professional, we'll give as like this one, and skilled manual will take as gray, and management will take as yellow, and remaining other one we have to hide in the filters. So now I'll move to filters. So in filters by default, this income level is showing. So now I will remove this income level and occupation is showing. So once we select with the occupation and select with all and unselect with this clerical and manual. Clerical and manual we had to unselect. Okay. Now I'll go with here top N. So I have the option called as top N. So basic filtering, advanced filtering earlier we seen. Now we have the option called as top N. So click on top N. Now I want only top three only. So top three. Or else in the basic filtering options only we have to select all. Okay. And here in top N we'll give as top three only. So this way also we had to do. But we'll hide this clerical and manual. Go with top three. Okay, and by value I'll select as the total orders. So go with data, total orders. See, I'm getting the total orders, this one. Okay. And once we have to apply with this top three and click on apply, then only it will applicable to the chart. Okay. And everything we had hide. So this is the orders by income level, orders by occupation. So this is up to we have discussed as in the donuts and filters. So filters is clear and donut chart is clear. Now I'll move to we have to look into like table and matrix visuals. So this table and matrix visuals, so we'll do in executive dashboard. Move to back executive dashboard. So in this executive dashboard, I'll select as table first. So here in this insert option, I have this table. This is the matrix. So this light color blue, this is both difference called as table and matrix. Table is plain white color and this matrix is the light blue color. Here I will go with table. So table I will arrange here. Okay. And little bit expand and down. Okay. Now we have to add with the columns. First I'll go with columns as category name and add with product name. Okay. Next total orders. Next total revenue. Next we'll add a return rate. This one return rate. So now we'll rename this some little bit. Category name give as space and product name also will give as space and total orders will give rename to remove the total and revenue. Next return percentage. Return percentage. Okay. Now I have added as so how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So category name, product name, orders, revenue, and return percentage. So columns are added. So now this is looking with table. So category name and product name, orders, revenue, and return percentage. So little bit expand the table first. Okay. Now it's looking good. So now this one table, right? Now I'll go to table to matrix. If I click on this one, here you have the suggestions. So I'll go with matrix and go with scatter chart, next to cluster bar chart, stacked bar chart. Now if I click on this matrix, immediately it will move to matrix type. Now we'll see the data. So matrix type is moving. Now, so this is the matrix way. So for rows, I will go with category name is fine. I'll remove this product name too. Here I will add as the product name in the rows part. Like it's looking good way. Okay. And product name I'll add here. Space. Okay. So this is the product name. If I look into this one, see here, the data looks like category name, orders, revenue, return percentage. Okay. And products are this one, accessories, so bikes and clothing total in this one. If I click on this, click to turn on drill down, what happened? Go to the next level hierarchy. See, product name is showing. If I click on above one drill mode, that's drill up, this one. And this one, expand all down in one level hierarchy, accessories and this one, all. So now I'll do one thing. So I'll remove the category name. You'll keep as only product name. So this is fine. So for this product name, I have in this one. So for product name, I'll do one thing. I will go with format this one. Format. So here in format, I will go with first layout style presets. So first I'll go with style. So this is the default style. So I'll go with none, and we'll see with column headers. So column headers I'll give as in the font as bold with font same font, and text color will give as gray, and column subtotals so we don't require, will off, and row subtotals also we have to off. So this is the simple way we have to do with the this one. Okay, and little bit expand this. So okay, orders, product name, orders, revenue, and returns. So this is the table. Okay, sorry, this is the matrix type we had to consider. Okay, and now I'll go with conditional formatting. How we can do conditional formatting? So this conditional formatting I'll choose as format. First I'll go with cell elements. In cell elements, so first series is the orders. So let's keep these orders. So for orders, I'll choose as data bars. So data bars is I'll click on. See here, data bars is showing orders. And now I'll go move to FX. So this FX is conditions. So that is the conditional formatting we are applying. So for conditional formatting, I'll go with data bars here, highest value and lowest value. So for a negative bar, I'll select as like white. So for positive bar, I'll select as like 20% darker. Okay, show bar only or else something. This one option, and axis this one, and click on OK. See here, the chart is looks like these colors. Okay. Now I'll go with cell elements. So cell elements and apply the settings to return percentage. Okay. So for return percentage, I want background color on. So this background color. So this background color we have to apply like conditions. So these conditions are mainly like maximum. For example, if I want the maximum, I'll give like this light color, and for lowest value, I'll give as like white. So this is the bar showing, right? And click OK. So now format done. So this is the way we have to apply as the conditional formatting. Okay. So this is conditional formatting done. Now I'll apply as like filtering. So now I'll apply the filtering called as top end filtering. So filter select. So in filters, I'll select as the product name. Product name. Okay. So for product name, I'll select with the filter type. So first I'll go with total orders. Sorry, total orders. Which is not taking. So what I can do is product name will apply here. So this is report the advanced filtering, and if I select with product name here, okay, and here we have to apply the this is orders. Now select with product name. Why filter type we have to show with top n, but it is not showing. Okay. Now if we want top 10 products. Okay. So let's look into that later part. So top end filtering. And we had to design with one more table for this part. I'll go to customer detail. So in customer detail, I'll draw with the table, design with the table. So table, if I take the table here, okay, and expand this one. So for this table, I'll go with column names. First, I'll go with column names, add to customer key and full name and total orders and total revenue. Okay. So for this, I'll select into this one, remove this, rename to revenue, and this orders also rename to orders, and full name customer key. Customer key just little bit space we had to give. Okay. Now we have to apply with the format. So hide this one and hide this one also, format. So in format, I'll go with style presets. So the style is, I'll go with none by default, and column headers. So we have to column headers, and font is, so we'll select font bold, and text is cell elements. So cell elements, apply the settings. So these settings, I'll go with orders part. Okay. For orders, data bars will have to on, and this FX I'll select, and to search with this positive bar as 20% darker will give, and negative bar will take as white. Click OK. Okay. So this is the orders I'm getting, these bars. Okay. And now we'll apply the settings to same for revenue. So revenue background color is on, and we have to apply the condition. So condition is minimum value will take as white, and highest value will consider as, so here I'll give 10 BFF. Okay, and click OK. So revenue part is done. Next, similarly, I'll go with apply the filters now. So for filters, I'll go with customer key. So filter type, select as top N. So previous product name top N is not showing, something is somewhere it is problem maybe. So top N, I'll go with top 100. And now I'll select as total orders for this. So total orders will take as in the by value. So by value, we have to apply with apply the filter. Now we are getting only top 100. Okay. And I'll give as the title for this uh, font format title. So title is on, we'll give the text. So for title, top 100 customers. Okay. And font also we have to set the 10, and we'll give center top 100 customers. Okay. And so this part is done. And let's look into the table. So columns, let's just little bit to resize this. Okay. And this one will move to here. This is looks good. Okay. So this is the top 100 customers. Similarly, we had to do with the top N filtering, top 10 product names also. Okay. So this is the in this video. So in this video, we have covered a lot of things. So mainly, first we have covered as basic filtering options, then donuts and filters we have covered, table and matrix visuals covered, conditional formatting covered, top 10 products covered, top 100 customers we have covered. Okay. So these are all the things we have covered in this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and write some comment. So if you write the comment, I will feel much better. So to do much more videos and based on the content will improve the quality. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.